G'day, this is Chris O. How you doing? Yeah, what I'm doing here, people, is I'll show you the bathroom, which I've been doing. The bathroom's through there. But I'm starting on this floor now, and what I'm going to be doing is the tiles are stuck down well. In Australia, Americans, you go over your tile if you're able to. You don't go pulling it up. Why fix it when it doesn't need fixing? It just needs retiling. To take it up, you've got a hell of a job jackhammering it up, getting rid of the old glue. When tiles are full on solid, what I'll be doing is running a cup grinder over to take the shine off. I'll then put down a primer. It doesn't super need it, but I like to do it because if I've got any film of dust that I haven't noticed when I sweep it out and vacuum it out, it just binds it all together, so you've got a good surface to stick to. Americans are so scared of tiling over tile, but in Australia people say if the tiles are solid, go over the top, buddy. We'll see you soon. This binds like I've swept it out and cleaned it all, but this primer just soaks into the tile and binds if there's a little bit of dust there, because you can keep sweeping and sweeping and you'll always get a bit of dust. This binds it all together. And people say, oh, you can't tile over tile. Well, you can, but it's all in the preparation. If it was all drummy and loose tiles and all that sort of thing, no, of course you don't, you know. You don't go tile over tile, no way. But when your tiles are solid, you go over them. We don't want to get it on the skirting board, so we just use the roller arm as a guide to stay away from the skirting. By the time I set up my tiles, mix my glue, that'll be nice and dry because I've got the fan on. I'll start laying. There's a bench going right along there, but I'll start a full tile there and go out and make that a cut, because I don't know how straight that skirting is. 9 times out of 10 it's always got a wobble in it, so you can't fit a full tile against it. You make sure it's a cut. If the skirting was away, I'd start a full tile from that side and go that way. But it's not removed and it's not going to be, so I'll make sure my cut is along there. This is Chris O. We'll see you soon.